So today's looking like bounce day to me. 145 max on the puts though for NVIDIA. That's what I'd be looking at, is no more than 145. I don't like to be more than 10 bucks out of the money on NVIDIA. I would prefer the 150s. If we hit 153, if we double top up there, I would prefer the 150s. We'll be looking at 145s and 150s. It's opened up nice and green here. 250s. There goes Netflix. Nice. All right, so I got a starter on the calls already. I'm not. All I'm looking at here is if we double bottom off 254, I might take a different strike. Otherwise, I'm adding to a winner on the put. So that's all I'm really interested in. Starter on the calls here. NVIDIA got a starter on the calls. Now looking at the puts. Here. Let's get some of that here. If we get a little bounce, waiting on the puts. I want to see if we can't get up on these puts or break down, right? One of the two. So I don't want to buy here on the puts yet. I want to see it up over top of pre-market highs, so somewhere around 153, or I want to see it break down. Come on, look at this. Look at this. Quick money right here. Come on up here. I missed it. Dang it. I was trying to take some profits on those calls. I missed it. Missed that pop. Dang it. Still take some here, but let's see if we can get one more pop out of this thing. Here we go. One more pop. There we go. New highs. All right. Look at these these calls hitting 275, 280. Come on up here. 269 bid, 269 bid. Waiting for the bid to stack. Come on. Strength. Let's go. There we go. 279, 275. Ooh, one more. That's what I'm talking about right there. Boom. Taking profits. Ripping right through it still. Ripping through pre-market highs. I like it. I took some profits there, though. I'm not going to let that move get away from me. There goes Netflix, 261. Boom. Boom. That's what I'm talking about. Time to do it. Boom. Okay, I got to start it on the puts.
All right, time for a daily recap. Today is 11/27/2018, and as you can see from the live action, I was short the 250 puts, leftovers from yesterday. I took some profits on those and just held a few small. Actually, I only had a small left from yesterday, but they opened up green. We got the dip. I took some profits on them. I got the calls, and I played the long side all day on this. I never touched the puts again. I still have a couple of those 250 puts left over after selling this morning. Whatever. If it works, if they ever come back, it's possible, but if not, that's fine too. I've already made my money on those. As you can see, I got long the calls. I had a couple of different strikes, just like I said in the live action. I had a couple of different strikes. I didn't play the short side on this at all. So I ended up taking all out one strike and then holding the other one, which is still, and then taking profits on both of them into the close here at this last push. And I have a piece of two different strikes going into tomorrow. Nice, strong close on Netflix. If the market continues the bounce, we should, this should keep going. So nice payday on Netflix. NVIDIA, like you can see from the live action there, I caught the call action here, and then I caught the puts. I did get in a little bit early on them. Well, actually, I think on that video. Let me see. Yeah, there we go, on the live action. So anyway, here's where I caught the calls right down in here. And I ended up taking those calls up to 155. The puts that I got here, then I got another strike on the puts here. So these puts here paid really well. These puts paid, pretty good. I added back to my calls multiple times here. I added back on this double top, and I worked the calls the rest of the day. That's it for that one. I didn't even try to play the puts anymore. I worked the calls for the rest of the day, and I sold into the last push. And where was it? Yeah, I sold into the last push here as it broke the daily candle, and then I'm holding a little bit of this left over still. So it's the same thing as I do every day, nothing new. I have, a small put position left from these. I didn't get all out on those puts. I didn't get all out on these puts. I'm in 2 strikes long on this that I'm holding, and I'm in 1 strike long on this that I'm holding. So nice payday, green on the put side, green on the long side, double whammy. Gotta love it. Peace.